Introducing the Mornwell 5032 Oral Irrigator, your ultimate home appliance for dental care. This innovative device combines the power of a water flosser and sonic technology to provide a comprehensive teeth cleaning experience. Sonic Water Flosser Technology. The Mornwell 5032 Oral Irrigator utilizes sonic technology to deliver gentle yet effective cleaning action. With its high-frequency vibrations, it dislodges food particles and plaque from hard-to-reach areas between teeth and along the gum line. Teeth whitening. Achieve a brighter smile with the Mornwell 5032 Oral Irrigator. By effectively removing surface stains and debris, it helps to whiten teeth and restore their natural shine, giving you the confidence to smile freely. 270 ml tank. Equipped with a large 270 ml water tank, this oral irrigator provides ample capacity for extended use. You can fill it up once and enjoy uninterrupted flossing sessions without the need for frequent refills. Teeth cleaner. Say goodbye to traditional flossing methods and experience the convenience of the Mornwell 5032 Oral Irrigator. Its precision nozzle targets specific areas of the mouth with a powerful jet of water, ensuring thorough cleaning and improved oral hygiene. Dental water jet. The dental water jet feature of this oral irrigator delivers a steady stream of water to gently massage and stimulate the gums, promoting circulation and gum health. It also helps to reduce inflammation and prevent gum disease. With the Mornwell 5032 Oral Irrigator, you can enjoy professional quality dental care in the comfort of your own home. Say hello to healthier gums, fresher breath, and a brighter smile with this advanced dental water jet device.